And if your pool has metals in the pool water or metal staining, Periodic Products has a number of products that will eliminate the metal staining and also remove the metals from your pool. In this video, I'm going to show you the Periodic Product Metal Stain Eliminator Kit. And this kit will treat up to 20,000 gallons of water. And this kit is sold exclusively at Leslie's Pool Supply. So if you have metal staining in your pool, this kit does three things. It removes the metal stains, it'll prevent the metal stains from coming back, and it also eliminates the metal in the water that causes the staining. So inside the kit is a sequestering agent. You have the CuLator Ultra 4.0. There's a 1 pound bag of ascorbic acid, and there's a 1 pound bag of citric acid. And one thing to note, in future kits, the Aqua Brilliance is going to be replaced by the Mega Maintain. So you'll find the Mega Maintain in the newer metal stain kits that are on the market. So there are several ways to test your water for metals. You can use a photometer that tests for metals in the pool water. And you can also use copper and iron test strips to test for metals in the pool water. Or you can take your water sample into your local pool store and they'll test it for metals. Again, here's all the contents of the kit. You have the Aqua Brilliance sequestering agent. You have the CuLator Ultra 4.0. You have 1 pound of ascorbic acid and 1 pound of citric acid. And also included are the instructions and also the frequently asked questions. And so how this kit works, you can use the Aqua Brilliance sequestering agent to suspend the metal ions in the pool water. You're going to use the CuLator 4.0 Ultra to remove the metals from the pool water. And you're going to use both the ascorbic acid and citric acid to lift the metal staining off the pool. And the first thing you want to do before you use a metal stain eliminator kit is to make sure your water is balanced. Your pH should be between 7.2 and 7.4, and your alkalinity should be between 80 and 120. You want to make sure that the free chlorine level is reduced to 1 part per million or less. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure of using this kit. So now you want to walk around the perimeter of your pool and pour in the citric acid and ascorbic acid. You want to try to focus on the areas where there's the most staining. So if you see a stain, try to pour some of this over the stain directly. And in this particular pool, most of the staining is here in the step area and in the shallow end. And now you're going to walk around the perimeter of the pool and pour in the Aqua Brilliance. You want to make sure you shake the bottle well. And now you're going to brush the pool thoroughly. So now you want to turn your pool on and run it for 1 hour. So after the pool runs for 1 hour, I'm going to leave the pool off after that for 24 hours. And then the next day, I'm going to put the CuLator 4.0 Ultra into the pump basket and then run the pool its normal operating time. So I'm back over here the next day. I'm going to put the CuLator Ultra 4.0 into the pump basket. So simply put the Ultra in your pump basket and then run your pool the normal time. And a normal side effect of adding the citric acid and ascorbic acid to your pool is that the chlorine level may zero out. So don't be surprised if you test the chlorine the next day and it's at 0. Gradually raise the chlorine in your pool back to 3 parts per million over the course of the week. And here's the pool 3 days after the treatment, and a lot of the staining in here is definitely lightened up. And you can see on the step area that most of the staining is gone. And you may notice that the water is cloudy 1 or 2 days after using this kit. There's nothing to worry about. Simply bring the chlorine level up gradually and the water will clear up. And again, you want to bring the chlorine level up gradually. You don't want to shock the pool. This may cause the metals to fall back out of solution. And that's a look at Periodic Products Metal Stain Eliminator Kit. If you have metals in your pool water or metal staining, this is the perfect kit for you. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.